Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 11, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 11, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, July 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 11, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, July 11, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 11, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.